In today's video, I am going to teach you how to wax a copper golem in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. Waxing a copper golem is a simple process, and it only takes a moment once you have the right item ready. The purpose of waxing a copper golem is to stop it from oxidizing. After wax is applied, the golem will stay in its current state until the wax is removed. If you want to preserve its appearance, this is the method to use. To begin, you need to obtain a honeycomb. Honeycomb is the item used for waxing copper-related blocks and mobs in Minecraft, including the copper golem. Make sure the honeycomb is in your inventory before you approach the golem. If it is not already on your hotbar, move it there so you can select it quickly. Once you have the honeycomb, find the copper golem that you want to wax. Make sure you are close enough to interact with it directly. This is important because the waxing action only works when you are targeting the golem properly. Stand near the copper golem and face it so your crosshair is centered on its body. Next, hold the honeycomb in your hand. You can do this by selecting it on your hotbar. Before you continue, confirm that the honeycomb is the active item. If another item is selected, the game will not apply the wax. Now right-click the copper golem with the honeycomb. On some platforms, this is the Use or Interact button. As long as you are aiming at the copper golem and holding honeycomb, the wax will be applied immediately. After that, the copper golem is waxed. Once waxed, the copper golem will no longer oxidize. Its current oxidation stage will remain locked in place. This is useful if you want the golem to keep a specific look and not change over time. If you ever decide that you want the copper golem to oxidize again, you can remove the wax with an axe, equip an axe, interact with the waxed copper golem, and the wax will be removed. After that, the golem can continue oxidizing normally. That is the full process. Get a honeycomb. Find your copper golem, hold the honeycomb, and use it on the golem to apply the wax. Then use an axe later if you want to remove it. And that is all there is to it.